Imagine walking into your local camera store, buying a brand new flagship camera that isn't even supposed to exist yet, and discovering you can't actually use it. Well, that's exactly what happened in Bucharest, Romania, where a retailer accidentally sold a retail unit of the Insta360X6 before its official launch.
Let's compare recording at 8K 30 FPS.
For us, this accidental slip-up gives us
X6
our
delivers
very
47
first
extra
definitive
minutes.
Look at the final hardware, retail packaging, and confirmed features. This isn't another blurry prototype photo or sketchy certification document. This is an actual retail box sitting in a customer's hands, proving that global inventory is already sitting in stores. Looking at the back of the box, we also get a clear look at what comes in the standard kit. The Insta360X6 camera itself. Their signature 114 centimeters invisible selfie stick, a protective pouch and USB-C charging cable, and a practical silicone lens cap, a small addition, but crucial for protecting those vulnerable, exposed 360 lenses straight out of the box. The leaked Quick Start Guide also confirms some massive durability upgrades. The X6 is natively waterproof down to 20 meters without any extra housing, and up to 60 meters if you use Insta360's optional invisible dive case. As for physical controls, USB-C charging returns alongside a familiar layout, touchscreen gestures, and operating system. Insta360 clearly took the "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" approach here, keeping the learning curve minimal, so users can just pick it up and shoot. The retail packaging also validates the major performance leaks we've been tracking. 8K 360-degree recording, replaceable lenses 2.0 for easier field swaps, and a dedicated PureVideo mode for low-light enhancements. But the real headline here? Battery life. High-res 8K recording is notorious for overheating and draining batteries fast. Yet, the box explicitly claims up to 140 minutes of recording time. If that holds true in real-world testing, it addresses one of the biggest pain points of shooting immersive video. While DJI takes a more gradual refinement route with its competing ecosystem, Insta360 is pushing hard on everyday practical upgrades like battery longevity, low-light processing, and modular lens designs. With retail units already leaking into the wild, an official global announcement is practically days away. Full reviews are just around the corner. Drop your thoughts below. Does the Insta360X6 look like a worthwhile upgrade? Or are you waiting to see what DJI drops next? Hit subscribe for the full review breakdown, and I'll see you in the next one.